What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. I told you guys these videos were gonna come one after another, and we have yet to press the pause button. We have today the official Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 Eco Leather case. We're gonna be doing a review. I've had this case for about a week now, so it's not much more I need to figure out with this case as far as how it's gonna hold up. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. Is definitely appreciated. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get into it. Now, eco leather, I don't know what that means. It means real leather, not real leather. Just like maybe the Tesla seats are called vegan leather. I don't know. It's basically giving you the illusion of leather, but it might not be leather. But I don't care. That's cool with me. I got an issue with this. The price for this is $79.99, aka $80 on Samsung.com. The link will be in the description below. I don't know if many of you are going to use it, but $80 for a case, a regular case at that, doesn't even offer an S Pen slot. Too much. It's going to be true to that price. $80 for this, that kind of sucks. So let's check out the cutouts and the buttons. So as you can see, if you go to the right side, because this goes on the front part right here, if you go to the right side, you have basically like an indentation kind of a cutout, so you can get to your buttons a lot easier without having any difficulty. You look to the top, you have another cutout for your speaker grill and your microphone right there, and you have some adhesive in here on the side. So it's like a hard plastic, at least this part, and it's pretty sturdy but still flexible. And then the back of the case right here, you have like this suede, or maybe this is the eco leather they're talking about, but you have this material on the inside here. Obviously you have a cutout for all of your camera modules and the flash button, and then also this works in conjunction with that little cutout slash indentation on this part, so you can get to your buttons with ease of access. And if you look at the bottom, you have a cutout for your charging port right here, and then you have Samsung branding right here on the back. The back of it doesn't feel like a hard plastic like this one. It feels more like that leather feel. So I guess the inside you have that suede-ish, leatherish type feel, and then on the back you have more of a traditional leather feel, I guess. And then on the top you have two hole punches for your microphone. So we're gonna slap this on, and we are going to touch on the fit and protection. And basically there you have it. The fit is obviously it's made for this phone, and it's made by Samsung, so it fits very snug on here. And as far as protection, these raised lips right here, it's pretty good. Most people will have their phone closed when they're operating it, or not when they're operating it, but when they're done operating it. So when it drops, obviously you have no hinge protection. So mostly all these cases that you see out here, they're not going to have hinge protection, and the hinge is going to be exposed. This is like a solid backing on here. I don't really see many issues with it, but it's still a piece of the phone that's exposed. So, but it's a trade-off because this case is kind of thin. It feels nice, and you don't have to have that big clamp or big barrier over your hinge, which makes the phone way more and feel heavier, or more, taking up more space basically in your hand and in your pocket or purse, wherever you decide to put it. As you can see, the cutouts right here, we're going to test out wireless charging to make sure this works. Let me just slide this over a little bit. Let's test out wireless charging. It activates instantly, so wireless charging does work. As far as drop resistance and reliability, as far as the front of the phone, you have protection here. If it drops flat like that, obviously you have it on the this side right here, the right side of the phone, the bottom, none on the back, and the top right here. I haven't had any issues with this case popping off. Again, you have that adhesive in the side right there. I would say this is good with the raised edges. It makes for a complete case. So again, I'm not gonna make these videos too long, you guys. Again, it's a case at the end of the day. I do like this case. The camera modules fit very snug in here. The flash cutout is very precise. So I do like this case. It does everything I needed to do, aside from hold the S Pen, but we have a case for that. We're gonna get to that. But yeah, I'll give this case a thumbs up. I give the price thumbs down. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I really appreciate it. This is a good phone and a good case, so I recommend, but not the price. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.